yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today, you guys, I am excited to do my hair today. I just washed her, blow dry, deep condition, all that good stuff. She got the works just to braid her up and put her in a protector style because I desperately need one right now. So we are doing some boho box braids, you guys, with human hair. And they're gonna be crochet because y'all know I am not about to sit and do my hair in no little bitty braids for hours and hours when I can just crochet it. So the hair I'm using today is right here. It was sent to me by Eayon Hair. Y'all know, check the description box. I will have everything down there that you need. Here are the braids. I got 3 bundles of 24 inches boho box braids. I love me some crochet. I love me some box braids. I love crochet box braids because they just don't take long to do. All you gotta do is just get your foundation together. So the hair looks good, you guys. There's no smell. The braids look really neat. I'm not getting any shedding from the human hair. So each braid has these little additions like you would normally get. Y'all seen boho box braids. So it's like 3 pieces basically per braid. And the ends are curly as well. You get 40 braids per bundle, just so you guys know. And I think this is gonna be enough. These 3 bundles are going to be enough for a full head. Because they are boho, it's gonna help hide some of those gaps and everything like that. And I don't really want this to be super heavy on my head. So first things first, I gotta do my base. I got to get my base done, my braid pattern done. I'm trying to decide still what pattern I'm going to do, but y'all know I'm about to walk y'all through it in like a matter of seconds. Probably right now.
All right, y'all, so I had planned on doing a middle part, but I actually changed it to a side part. Don't ask me why. It just happened when I started crocheting. Either way, whenever you are sectioning off where you want your, I guess, illusion braids to be, just make sure your part area is nice and crispy. Everything else can kind of be as good as you can make it. Let's just put it that way. So as far as the illusion method goes, you guys, this method is not new. You're basically just given the illusion of single box braids by just combining your braids together. So first things first, I'm just gonna do my outer perimeter, and then each braid, like going back, you just connect it. So start on the outside and work your way back in, and eventually you'll have something like this.
All right, guys, this is the next day. I went on ahead and did my braid pattern last night. Finished that up rather quickly, but I get a lot of comments basically saying that I make women feel like they can do the styles that I create. And then it ends up being like they really can't do it. They always feel hyped, they feel like they got it, and then it's a total fail. Let me just tell you guys this. Confidence is key. Confidence in the final look is key, and I'm gonna show you why I'm saying this. So this is my braid pattern, you guys. What I did last night, you guys, is not my best braid pattern, but I'm here to show you when you have certain crochet braids or certain styles and you're doing them at home and you've never done them before, you don't do them often, you can kind of get away with everything not being perfect at your base. And I've said this for years, you guys, your braid pattern does not have to be the most spectacular. It just has to be as neat as you can make it, and not necessarily tight, but it has to be as flat as you can make it. If it's looking all not the best like mine is, like the parts are just not parting the way they should be parting, it's okay, we will survive. In the end, as long as you've got a flat base and it looks rather decent like in the front, you can make it work. When you have braids like these that are more of that boho style that, you know, fill up the gaps a little bit better versus just having like singular box braids, that basically hides any imperfections that you've done with your braid pattern. So yeah, I just want to hype you up again because that's what I'm here to do. I like to hype y'all up. So I'm gonna go ahead and crochet these in real quickly, like my edges, get myself together for the day, and then I will be back to show you guys the final look.
So crocheting these are very easy, you guys, but I'm going to show you what you should do. This took me a couple tries to figure out. Number one, make sure when you are crocheting your braids in they are going the right direction, or else they will stick out, they will loosen up, all of that stuff. So if you want them going to the side, or if you're doing a side part, whatever you're doing, just make sure they're laying flat. Each crochet should be laying, well, each braid, sorry, should be laying flat. Also, you want to make sure you're taking the crochet hook like I'm doing right here, and instead of going all the way down the braid to pull it through like I would normally do, or you would normally do, just go right at the top like I just did right there, and just pull it through like that. Because if you go all the way down on the braid, the loose hair will get all tangled up and it'll just be super frustrating. I hope I didn't make that too confusing. Just look at what I'm doing right here. It's really easy. Also, y'all, keep in mind, you don't have to do this method. This method is definitely for people who can't do box braids themselves, or just want to give their natural hair a break by braiding it all up. Just want to be able to do it themselves as well. You can definitely do singles in the front, crochet the rest of the hair. You've got options with crochet. You can literally do whatever kind of pattern and stuff that you want to do to make your life much easier. I also went on ahead and added some loose curls right in the front. I was gonna add a few more, but I was like, no, just 2 little ones right here on the sides is good. And then I put a little extra at my part because, like I said, I ended up doing a side part, and yeah, I just needed to kind of fill in the gaps without adding more braids, if that makes sense. And major tip right here, you guys, the front of my hair is looking a little sparse, and I would have normally added more box braids or added some loose crochet hair to just kind of fill the gaps, but y'all, I ended up doing my, like, the illusion part, those single box braids, I ended up like doing those too tight on my head, so that when I went into crochet the braids through, it was pulling and it was tugging. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave my hair as is. I'm not really doing anything this week, and then once a few days go by, I will probably add in some more box braids or some more hair, or I might just leave it as is. So just a tip right there, do not braid your hair too tight because you still have to pull braids through it. So and as far as what I'm doing right here, you guys, I just sprayed a little bit of water to get the waves to kind of come through. And then from the Cream of Nature honey line, I used the, like, their cream, I believe, like the curl activator cream and the curl mousse. I didn't really use too much because the hair is fresh. I didn't want to add product that was just unnecessary. I'll probably do that later on the week or something like that. But next, I just went on ahead and added some oil to my scalp, and then I just laid my edges using my Blue Legume Jam, and that's basically it for as far as any products that I'm going to be using. I will probably use the same thing as far as maintenance goes throughout the week, just to kind of refreshen my hair. And these are just a couple styles I decided to do in the bathroom, you guys, just to kind of show a little bit of versatility. I know with crochet you don't get too much, but you are able to do a few styles, and y'all know I will be wearing my hair probably half up, half down, as long as I have them in. And yeah, so just wanted to show you got some options, and then the final look is coming right up. Don't go anywhere. I'll give you guys a few of my final thoughts, some pointers, all that great stuff. So yeah, keep watching.
So this is the final look. I am so happy with the outcome. Y'all already know that I am. As y'all saw, I ended up doing this in 2 different days. So I did it last night and then finished up this morning. Y'all, they feel really good on my head. I may go back in and add some to the back. I always do this since I've been doing any kind of crochet style. I always wait like 2 days or so to see if I need to add some more hair to it, and I'm doing the same with these. I did not use all 3 bundles. I probably used 2.5 because I didn't know exactly how my head would feel. But these feel good. They don't feel heavy at all. And I have worn heavy hair and this feels just fine. I love when styles like this come out looking really cute because, one, not everyone has the funds, the availability, or the desire to have someone else do their hair. They may not have the time. If you are busy, you may just need an easy style for a weekend or a week. If something's going on, you're going on vacation. Y'all know I just like like styles like this that are just super easy to do, take a few hours and you're good to go, and you can either wear them for a short period of time or wear them for a long period of time. It's totally up to you. Y'all know I am doing holiday styles right now, stuff that you can just keep in and not have to worry about. These are braids. Y'all know you look good either way, whether you are just chilling with friends for Friendsgiving or family for Christmas or New Year's. Really doesn't matter. You will look good no matter what. So keep that in mind. Make sure you check the description box down below, you guys. I will put everything that I possibly can, including a direct link to this hair from Eayon Hair. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who. Say my name, say my name.